Welcome everyone, my name is Michael and today we are doing another episode of the Pick My Pour series. Guys, I love this series so much. I really do. I love you guys get to pick what I get to do every week. It's so much fun for me, you have no idea. I love to just create and I love challenges, so it just gives me a chance to do both. Now you guys know that you get to choose my paint palette, you choose the pour technique, and you get to choose the canvas size. So this week right now we have a 12 by 16 canvas. Okay, this is the lovely color palette that you guys have chosen, and today we are doing a rolling marble pour. And this is the big marble. We love using the big marble. Okay, we know where this is from. This is from the ghostly pours. We're not doing one of those today, but this big marble is so great. Look at it. Oh, I love it. I love this just so much. Okay, so I haven't got to do one of these in a while, and you know I love these ones. So we're gonna run through the colors. I am using a black pillow base today, and I might add in a little bit of titanium white. Let's see what happens. But let's go through the colors really fast. We have a bright aqua green. Then next, we have primary yellow. After that, it's just a medium magenta. And then the prism violet. Okay? Let me just put my marble over here so I don't lose it. And I'm going to lay down the black, okay? Then we'll put in some puddles, and then we'll run the marble through it. We'll do that, but we're going to go into music. I figure that's the way to go. But first things first. You didn't think I forgot, did you? Let's play my favorite game. Your favorite game. Somebody, somewhere in the world's favorite game. It is clean up the sticks and count them. Here we go, guys. So exciting and riveting. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I just poured some prism violet there. Oh boy. And I am taking away the titanium white stick. So that makes 5. Here we go. All right. Thank you, guys. Always fun entertaining. Always fun. Always fun. Okay, let's move these. I want to put some black down. We'll move them back into the frame as soon as we get this black down. I just don't want to pour black in the cups by accident. Okay. Anything else I have to tell you guys? I don't think so. I do want to mention one thing before we do anything. You know, let's pour this down. I want to say that I love this series so much. I do think I am going to continue it all the way through December. I think everybody might agree on that. We like voting on that. I think that's just the way to go. I would, however, if we could, sometime in the near future, run this as a live series. Now, I'm just about to start a live series on the other channel, only because I know I have the subscribers and everything. So that channel I can do stuff like that on. This channel is not there yet. We're getting there. You guys are there. You guys support me. I love it. I appreciate it. All right, here we go. I think we're finishing this up here. Good thing I actually made an extra one over there. You guys don't see it, but it's over there. I was nervous I wasn't going to have enough. And I can see that's kind of where it's going, is I don't have a super lot of black down here. But that's okay, because by the time you add in all the other colors, it fills the canvas up a lot. That was 10 fluid ounces, by the way. Okay, let's keep it back in frame here, guys. What am I doing? Oh, boy. Oh, I think I'm too excited. Okay. Let's pop some bubbles. Pop some bubbles. And then I think we're going to go into some music. Let's pop bubbles first. Yeah. There we go. Alright, just pop a little bit of bubbles. Make it clean. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna keep this close. Alright, here we go. So, jumping into some music, and guess what, guys? Oop, bump, 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 bump. And I will see you on the other side. Alright, here we go. Boom. All right, guys, we are back in here, and I love it. These colors are fantastic. Holy cow. Yes. See, that's why I love this series. Last week, I had done a ribbon pour that I think just was insane, okay? It really was nuts. It just soaked up everything. So we switched up our pillow. We went with black this time, little oxide black. That stuff is nice and dense. Nothing should be sinking in there. I am getting slight little cells just from the titanium white and the prism violet, but nothing too crazy. So yeah, guys, another fantastic pick. Let's go at it again this week. I'll try to throw stuff up there that maybe we haven't seen yet, and we'll get a little creative this week. Maybe get some creative with the canvas sizes for you guys. All right. Okay, that was fun, guys. I will see you again during the week, and have a good night. Later. Bye.